Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to use SharePlay on Apple Music in your car. Step 1, to get the process started, open up the Apple Music app and open up the now playing screen. If there is no music queued up, you are going to want to find something to play first, though it doesn't matter what. Step 2, the now playing screen is where the SharePlay session can be initiated, and you want to tap the SharePlay icon on the screen. Step 3, CarPlay users have an extra step here and have to tap the blue QR code icon on the right hand side. We noticed Apple Music had a tendency to crash after tapping this icon, likely because iOS 17 is still in beta. If that happens, start the process again. Step 4, once the QR code has appeared on either screen, passenger will need to scan it with their own device. The easiest way to do this is in the camera app, which will automatically recognize and read the QR code. Step 5, once the QR code has been scanned, you'll be prompted to open Apple Music. Once open, you see a pop-up menu asking you to confirm you want to connect to the host session. Tap connect to continue. Step 6, drivers will then be notified that someone is trying to connect to the SharePlay session with a pop-up banner. Tap the banner. Step 7, the confirmation screen will then open and you need to tap the green tick icon to continue. Tapping the gray X will boost the guest out and they have to start the process all over again. Step 8, the passenger will then receive confirmation that they have joined the SharePlay session, giving them access to the current song or playlist pumping through the host iPhone. Step 9, if the driver wants to end the session for whatever reason, such as if the back seats test in music is horrendous, they can do so by opening the SharePlay menu again and tapping the large red end button. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you so much.